How to download and install Alight Motion for PC. So hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Alight Motion in your Windows 11 PC. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. As you can see, I am on Google Chrome, and then you simply need to type in Alight Motion PC. Then head on to this first website, that is allrightmotionpc.com. Click onto this first link and it will lead you to this particular web page. Now from here you can see these different download buttons, but not each and every one is true. Some of them are just spywares or simple ads. From here you can click onto this download Alight Motion, and once you will do this you need to close these annoying pop-ups which will appear. And once you will do this, you can see this APK file. Simply save this APK file, and the next thing that you will need in order to run this is the BlueStacks. So from here, in a new tab, type in BlueStacks download. Since, as you know, Alight Motion is not officially available for PC, you will need to download the BlueStacks and then use the BlueStacks in order to run the Alight Motion. So that's how you can run both of them. So simply click onto this download BlueStacks, and once BlueStacks gets downloaded, you can simply open the BlueStacks and launch this particular APK file that we downloaded, which is the Alight Motion, into the BlueStacks, which will eventually work. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.